How to fix Xbox app not launching, error code 0x80070426. First step, repair and reset the Xbox app. Click settings, click app settings, click install app, hold on. Search for Xbox app. Click the three dot icon on the right hand side, click advanced option, hold down. Under reset, click repair. Once repair complete, after you need to click reset. Click reset. Close it. Second step, reset Microsoft Store cache. Search for run and type the following text wsreset.exe. Click OK and wait for some times. Once reset complete, after move on with next step. Update the Xbox app. Click downloads. I recently updated, so it's showing here. If you are not updated means you need to click check for update and update the Xbox app if an update is available. And move on with next step. Check Xbox services. Search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Xbox services. Right click it. Click properties. Make sure the startup type should be in automatic or manual, it depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. Check for all Xbox services. After completing one more time, right click it and restart it. Close it and come to next step. Search for CMD. Right click. Click run as administrator and type the following text sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some times. Is actually verifying your files in your device. The verification is started. After completing, exit it and restart your device. Thank you.